Hello, what's up guys, this is AJ Chaitri and today I'm here in Technical Advisor in order to teach you and explain you how to open a YouTube channel. So the first step in order to open a YouTube channel, what you actually need to do is open your Google account, okay? So what you can do is you can just type in Google, alright, and you can just sign in over here. You see the option over here, sign in, click on it. And that's how you can use and create an account. For myself, just keep your name, like for me is Ajay Chaitri. There it is. And as I'm opening a Technical Advisor YouTube channel, I'm just typing my email address over here, okay? So yeah, that's technicaladvisor@gmail.com. I'll just use the password that I need and confirm the same. And yeah, it seems like this username has already been taken. So what I will do is I'll just give some number. Maybe you can use a date of birth or any number that you can easily remember of. So I'll just use technicaladvisor08@gmail.com. And next, so adding the phone number, it's an optional, and also adding the recovery email address is an optional. But I would really encourage you to just add the recovery email address if you already have your Gmail account. But if you don't, you can just add your phone number in order for you to just keep your account private and just keep it protected from the phishing or the hacking. Alright, you can just give in your date of birth. Alright, and just enter that. Next, these are the privacy terms and condition which you need to agree it, or else Google won't allow you to open the Google account. So I've just agreed, and that's how I have the Gmail account. Alright, that's Technical Advisor right here. So now what do I need to do in order to open my YouTube account? I just type in youtube.com, as simple as that. Just go on sign in page, and I'm signed in over here, okay? So what I need to do is I need to click on create a channel. The reason I have Ajay Chaitri over here is because it was the name that I used over there, right? But because I'm gonna use this for my YouTube channel, I can keep the name that I would like for my channel to be. Like for me, it's gonna be Technical Advisor. Yeah. So you can upload the picture that you want, or else you can just skip it and do it later whenever you have the good one. And the YouTube channel is created, okay? So I don't have any subscriber right now, but I'm expecting great number of subscribers with the help and support that I'm gonna get from you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon and do like my YouTube channel so that you will be able to get the constant update of the videos that I will be uploading regarding the technical stuff. And I believe that it's gonna be really helpful for you. So until then, see you, bye bye, have a great day.